Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Solana on Kucoin. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is make sure you have an account on Kucoin. And if you don't have an account on Kucoin, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 10,000 USDT worth of welcome bonuses and trading gifts when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, the next step you have to take is quite easy. Head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you're dropped at the overview, which houses all of your crypto. And as you can see from the overview, a majority of our crypto is on the trading. So simply scroll over till you find the trading option. And boom, we have the USDT here. So how can we get Solana from this USDT? All we need to do is quite simple. Head over to the home section and use the tab at the top of the screen to simply scroll over to the convert option. We're going to be simply converting our available USDC into the Solana. By doing this, we can buy the Solana successfully or have the Solana on our wallet. So click on USDC and simply search for SOL Solana. Select the Solana option. Once you selected Solana, simply click on confirm, and simply click on confirm once more. And boom, the Solana has been received. So now, let's say you don't actually have crypto that you can use as a conversion. All you need to do to this, or in this case, is simply head over to the more option. Like there are more options here. So once you scroll on the crypto tab, click on the more icon. Once you selected more, simply scroll till you find your bank card. So once you selected the bank card option, we're going to be buying our crypto, that's the Solana. We're going to be buying it via our Visa or our MasterCard. All you need to do is simply select the cryptocurrency of choice. And unfortunately, the Solana is not here, meaning we can't buy Solana directly. But what we can do as a workaround for that is simply select the USDT once more, enter an amount of USDT. Let's say we want to buy $11 worth of USDT. Now, this $11 worth of USDT is going to giving us a good amount of the USDT, which we can swap or convert for the Solana. So simply click on buy USDT and you'll be taken to an option or a menu where you simply enter your details. Okay guys, and once on the add card menu, all you need to do is simply enter your card details and proceed to perform the transaction, which is basically them taking out the $11 from your MasterCard or Visa account and giving you some USDT in exchange. Now, that available USDT you've gotten can then be converted into the Solana. Just as I had showed before, you simply follow that same process and you can get yourself some Solana worth 10 USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.